Saraswati, and I live in Mumbai. I basically belong to UP. I
Okay,
have done my BA, BEd. And nowadays, I am a homemaker, and along with that, I am running my YouTube channel also. That's all about me. Yes.
that's a wonderful. So how is your going YouTube journey?
Yes, it's wonderful, and I am enjoying this journey.
Okay, that's fine. So when you will start your channel?
It has completed 1 year.
Okay.
Yes.
And how people are, like your video, how you are getting response on YouTube?
Yes, I am getting good response. In starting, I just make only short videos because
Okay,
of my time. When I get time, I just create short videos. Yes.
okay, that's very good. So what is your future plan? Why you want to learn English? Do you want to do something in future? Do you decide anything for that?
Yes, my future plan. First of all, I just nowadays I'm working on my communication skill, and
Mm-hmm.
along with that, I am learning so many things, and I am also helping my daughter in her study.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So
And if
that's
you talk
wonderful.
about my long term goal, so yes, I want to be successful YouTuber as everyone
Okay.
YouTuber want to. Yes,
Yeah, true. And nowadays, many people they are creating this kind of content and they are uploading on YouTube. They start their own YouTube channel. So it is very good. Somewhere you get curiosity to like upload the video. So for that, you just forcing the people to do the conversation. And if you are doing this kind of activity, so simultaneously, obviously, you learn English. You can enhance your communication. You build your confidence. You learn
yes,
something and day by day you can like become like a good speaker and after some days or some months slowly you can also increase your like YouTube journey, YouTube subscriber and views and all. So
yes.
it is very good.
And how is your YouTube journey going on?
Yeah, it is same. I'm also uploading the video like I'm starting this year only my YouTube channel in January month, and I uploaded almost 90 to 100 videos, and some short videos also there and some long videos also there. And uh, in like April or May month, I guess I was not work on my YouTube channel just because of some urgent work.
Hmm?
So it's there is a 2 months gaps. But after that, I started and still I am working. I am also getting not good response, but yeah, it will take time. And if we are like keep working on, so definitely one day we can get a good response. And there is a like YouTube algorithm. We have to understand the YouTube algorithms. We have to
Yes.
like be consistent. We have to
Mm.
upload the video on time. If you decided like we have to upload the video twice in a week, we have to upload video like thrice in a week and daily basis, whatever you decided, whatever you comfortable, whatever you can do it like that way. You can like you have to be consistent and you have to upload the video on time so that people like if like talk about your subscriber, they obviously they waiting for your video. If they are subscribe your channel, they waiting for your like next video for learning English, for understanding, right? So obviously you have to be like consistent. And apart from this, if you are a be consistent on YouTube, so YouTube also recommend your video to those people they want to learn English. They recommend those people and they can watch, and if they like, obviously they share to other people also. So this
Yes.
is all like as per my understanding I observed in last 6 7 months. So I feel like this is the thing, and we have to follow those things only then possible. And it is take not 6 months, not a year. So it will take a lot of time. Depends on when which video it's got viral. Never knows. Nobody's know that actually.
Yes.
And so That's all.
Yes, the hard work is important, and along with that, luck is also matter here. Yes, because every
Yeah.
person is, doing hard work, and
Mhm.
the luck is also matter. If you have luck and you are doing hard work, then definitely you will
True.
succeed one day. Yes, because
Yeah, yeah.
everyone
Obviously,
have
obviously.
not the same luck. Everyone have not the same luck. Everyone is working and doing hard work according
True,
to their
true.
capacity. Yes,
Yeah, it is completely true. So first of all, we have to be consistent, and that's all. Consistency is a very important part, not for YouTube. If you want to do anything, if you want to learn anything, if I talk about like English, we are like trying to enhance our communication. We are just trying to like do how we can speak on good way. So for
yes,
that we have to be consistent only, then only possible to speak, and then only possible to enhance our communication. There is no any shortcut way. There is no anything else apart from practice and consistency. We can like learn and we can achieve without doing anything, right? So we have to like patience be patience, and we have to do like more and more practice, more and more like hard work, and then only possible to reach, and then only possible to like complete.
yes. Very true. Very true. Hard work is very important, and consistency is also there, because two things, both things are matter. Consistency and along with that, hard work. And in any field, if you do hard work and you go these things on do these things on daily basis, so definitely result will come better. Yes.
So actually just I want to ask you, when you were started like English journey, right? That time you think, okay, I want to learn English, I want to speak English. So during that time and now, how your experience and how you are growing, so can you tell me so that.
Yes, if you talk about me for my English learning journey, I just started to talk 25 days before only. Yes,
Okay, that's very
yes,
amazing. And now you
yes.
are talking very good, and that's very
Is-
good.
Yes, so only because of the reason behind that is that I am teaching my daughter every day. And yes,
Okay,
this is a good benefit of me. Yes.
okay,
And
that's
I
very
have
good.
also worked for last 15 years in a web designing field. It's not completely web designing. I have completed web designing course, but I worked in Photoshop portion only. So this experience also matter. Yes.
So like Photoshop or web designing, this which kind of work is
Yes,
there?
I completed my web designing course. There are, when I
Okay,
completed that course, there are 4, 5 software like Photoshop, Corel Draw, and Illustration and Dreamweaver. These types of software they teach us me, and I just work on one particular software, that is Photoshop.
okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. So that is very popular. So you are making like good pictures and all,
Yes.
editing, these kind of
Yes.
thing. So
Yes.
you are very expert about that,
Yes.
I
I'm
think.
very expert in that field. You can say like this. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you are working in any
No,
company,
nowadays I
or you
left
are
my
doing
job.
freelancing?
No, in COVID time I left my job. Yes,
Hmm.
but yes, I have some clients and I I do their work from home only.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, yes. A lot of people are there. They having like video editing and any kind of a skill, and they are doing like freelancing, right?
yes, yes,
If they having like good content, good contact, and they get the work and they finish the work and they get money. So
yes,
yeah, there are many people they are doing freelancing work. So it is
yes.
very good. And nowadays.
As I am living
Hmm.
in Mumbai, so I get easily. I have a lot of contacts. So in this way, I'm doing home work from home only. Yes. And
Yeah,
along
yeah,
with that,
that's
I'm
very.
running my YouTube channel. There I work. So it's all
Mhm.
beneficial for me.
Because
Yes,
in YouTube journey, if like video editing, how to make a good content, how to edit, So if you know these kind of thing, so it is very easy for those people, right?
But
And you know that.
photo editing and video editing is totally different. Both
No,
are
if you are
totally
like
different.
making, yeah, I know. If you are like making like thumbnail, so you can make a good thumbnail
Yes,
because you know better how to
yes.
edit, how to, design those page.
Which
So
type of color I'm going to use, which type of
yes,
text
yes,
we should use in our thumbnail. Yes, these knowledge
yeah,
it could be better. Yes, definitely.
yeah, true. So in future, what you decide to, do in your future? There is any
Yes,
particular
uh,
thing?
yes. As I am working on my communication skill, yes, and I
Mm-hmm.
am sure that I will get results as I am doing very hard work and I'm very serious to learn this language. And yes, there is no necessity for me. I am learning this language only because of my passion. I have a great desire. So I just,
Yes, yes,
so result will come definitely good because I have no pressure on me. There is no pressure
yes,
on me
true,
to
true,
learn
true,
this language. It's my only desire, my passion. So result will definitely come good. I know that. So yes, I will help people. I want to help people and also want to succeed. As I told you, I want to succeed on YouTube. Yes, through YouTube, I can motivate people and can help people. And one more thing, I want to help my daughter in her study also. Yes,
yes, yes, yes, right. And when you get like 1 million subscriber, then
yes.
do you think about that? How you are making content and you will stop like talking to the people like that, whatever we are talking as of
So,
now?
that thing will not, I am not going because I am a very simple girl, lady, and I just believe
Hmm.
every person are equal. Each and every
Yeah,
person are equal. Yes, suppose I have a one day I will get 1 million subscriber. Yes, it could be that I will have not much time to connect with so many people. There
true,
could be
true,
a
true,
reason. Otherwise, I will definitely try to connect with people whom I talk now in my initial stage.
true, true,
Yes,
true,
yes, because you are the people I am starting and I am learning and starting my journey. Yes,
true, true,
so
true.
I think that I should not forget people. I'm now nowadays I'm talking.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, that's right. Because many people they are running their YouTube channel, and if they like got a good response from there, maybe they are talking to the people, maybe they are not talking. They are starting like own content, and they are uploading like story, any kind of story videos, and a lot of thing is there, and they are uploading. Maybe they are not connecting to the people. They are doing like broadcast. They inviting the people in that place, in their own place, and they are doing like broadcast. They are discuss
mhm,
on any kind of topic, right?
yes,
Pre-planned topic. So yeah, it is there, and you also can do it later when you get
yes.
like a good response on YouTube, and then you can start your own studio, and many thing is there.
Yes, because when I started my channel, I have no idea
Hmm.
how to upload videos even. Yes,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
this I learn every day. I simultaneously I am understanding everything. I learn everything day by day. I am improving myself. Yes,
yes, true. It has happened when you start something. So obviously, initial stage you not understand how I need to do like in a daily using like day by day. You can learn and you can like know better how I need to do, how I need to upload the video, how I need to make the like description, thumbnail, and
yes,
hashtag. Many things is there, video editing. So slowly, you can learn all
yes.
those things.
Even I have no idea of thumbnail at that time, description, tag. I have no idea of anything. I just upload my video
Yes.
and just write down one title there. But after that, nothing I do. Simultaneously, I learn and one younger brother and he helped me a lot.
Yes, yes,
to learn
right,
these
right.
things. Yes,
When I was starting my channel in the initial stage, so I at that time I really don't know about the thumbnail. What is a thumbnail actually? Where I need to use thumbnail, how I make thumbnail,
yes,
or how I need to like do the hashtag and description. What is the description? Where I need to put
yes,
description, right? And how I can upload the video. All I like learned from YouTube only. I watch on YouTube how I need to upload, how I need to make the thumbnail, what is the thumbnail, what is the size of thumbnail, how I can make, and what is the software
yes,
for making, how we can make and how we can upload our picture over there and how we can save. So all those things I learned through YouTube only.
yes.
And
When you go through my YouTube channel, then you will definitely find so many things that I have learned and I'm trying to do there.
yeah,
Yes.
yes, yes, yes. I definitely I watch your all video and how you are
Because
growing.
I every day try to do something. Yes, nowadays I am just uploading my conversational video, and after that I have not much time to upload grammar content. So last
Mm-hmm.
15 days I am just uploading conversational videos only. Yes,
Yeah, that's very good. And you were saying like you were start speaking like last 20-30 days, and now you are speaking very good and very confident. See,
so
I'll tell
thank
you
you
one
for
thing.
appreciating me.
Yeah, it is very difficult to like speak front of the camera, and now you are
Yes,
talking, that is very good in within like 1 month.
yes,
So it is when I like start my first day, I start recording the video, I start talking to the people. So that time I like record 10 to 15 video, but I never upload on YouTube because
okay.
it was like I know what I need to say, but that time I forgot how I can say.
Yes.
So it was
These things
like
happen,
very
and
difficult time.
these things are very common for learners.
Yeah.
Everything is very common. These things happen only, but if you have courage and if you have dare to do all things, then one day it's a certain that you will succeed.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, true,
it's
true.
very
And
true.
after 1 month, yeah, and after 1 month, I like I habitual to speak to the people, and I got the point what I need to say. I got the point how I present myself and how I need to ask the question, how I need to answer them. So slowly, I understand those things. Still, I'm learning. Still, I need to learn many things, and I'm also following many people who making the video, how they are making, how they are like presenting themselves and
Yes,
how they are answer. So I'm also observing many things what I need to improve in my communication, how we can speak. It's very simple so that people can understand on easily.
yes, very